Hi, I'm Jason. If you want to sell oversized t-shirts on Etsy, but you do not want to purchase the inventory, print the shirts yourself, or package and ship every customer order, then this tutorial is definitely for you. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sell oversized t-shirts on Etsy using TopStitch. Here's what we'll be creating. First, I'll be showing you how to create a realistic oversized graphic t-shirt. Then I'll be showing you how to connect TopStitch to Etsy. Then from there, we'll be setting our price for our product, and we'll also be customizing how our product look. And I'll also be explaining what will happen after a customer has placed an order. So the first thing you want to do is check out the links in the pinned comment and description, as I've included the TopStitch link which you can use to sign up for completely free. Once you have tapped on that link, you'll be redirected to TopStitch homepage. From there, you're going to tap on Get Started, and you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. If you don't have an Etsy account as yet, you'll need to go onto Etsy.com and you'll need to create an account. And to create an Etsy account is quite straightforward. You'll simply sign in using your email address. Then you're going to tap on the house icon or store icon in the top right hand corner, and you'll select Shop Manager. From there, you'll be able to set your shop preferences. For example, you can choose the shop language, currency, and so on. Then you'll be able to give your shop a name, so you can set it up right there. Once back on TopStitch, what I want you to do next, you're going to tap right where you see my icon in the top right hand corner, and you're going to select Stores. After you have selected Stores, you'll be redirected to this page, and you're just going to tap on Connect Etsy. After you have selected Connect Etsy, you're going to sign in using the same email address that you used to create your Etsy account. Once you have signed in, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. From here, you're going to tap on Catalog. After you have selected Catalog, you're going to select T-shirt. Once you have selected T-shirts, from there you're going to tap on Fit. Then we're just going to be selecting Oversized, and we're going to change the delivery location to United States. And by the way, with TopStitch, you can add numerous filters. So if it is a case that you're not delivering to United States, you can also tap right here and you could choose a different country or location. You can also tap on Add Filter, and you can see different filters that you can add. You can choose by region, as you can see right there. You can choose fulfillment from. You can also choose by color. You can choose by size, print areas, and you can also go down and you can choose by material. This is why TopStitch is one of the best print-on-demand platforms if you want to create a high-quality clothing brand. As you are given numerous customization options, you can even choose by fabric weight. And with TopStitch, you are also given, for example, custom branding options and so on. But we'll be exploring that option later on. Now, let's say, for example, I would like to add it. I'll simply select the t-shirt. After you have selected the option, you're just going to tap on Design Now. Once you have selected Design Now, you'll be redirected to the editor page, and this is where you'll be able to upload your graphic. A good platform to create t-shirt graphics on is Canva.com, because with Canva you can actually use it for completely free. So you could go onto Canva.com. From there you could select Create in the top left hand corner, then you could type in t-shirt design. After you have done that, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. You can scroll down and you can select whichever one of these templates best suits you. So you can see different templates right here. Let's say, for example, I were to select this template. After selecting it, we'll tap on Customize this template. Then from there, you can add in your own personal touches. You could go over to the left-hand menu option, and for example, I could select Elements. And then I could type in dog, and I could add in this cool dog right here. So I'll simply add the doggy right here, for example's sake. Then we're just going to tap on Share, and I'm going to download the design. After I've downloaded the design, I'm going to go back into TopStitch, and I'm going to upload the design. So you'll select TopStitch, you'll select Upload from the left-hand menu option, and from there you're just going to drag and place your design. Once the design has been uploaded, you're now going to add it onto your oversized t-shirt. So you'll simply select the design, and it is going to add it to the t-shirt, as you can see right there. Once it has been added, you can also add it, for example, if you like to add a design to the back, left sleeve or right sleeve, you can choose to do that. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on Publish. Then you're going to see this option, and you're just going to select your Etsy store. After you have selected your Etsy store, From here you can customize the title, and you can also customize the description, and you can see how it looks right here. And you can also choose to add more mockups if you want by tapping on the plus. You could add your own mockups. After you're finished doing that, you're going to tap on continue to price, and this is where you'll be able to set your price. For example, you can see the estimated price if you were to ship your item to the United States. So you can see $9.98 for the item on TopStitch, and the suggested retail price would be $19.96. And then from there you have the shipping cost would be $5.80. So, and then the estimated profit would be $9.98. Keep in mind this is before the shipping cost, so I would recommend that you increase this a bit so that you'll be able to make more profit. Once you're finished doing that, you're just going to tap on publish. After you have selected publish, you'll give it a few seconds, and the product is going to be pushed to your Etsy store. While that is being done, you can also add in your own personal branding. For example, if you were to select branding with TopStitch, you can choose to add clothing labels. You can choose to add hang tags also, and you can also choose to insert cards. So for example, let's say we were to select clothing labels, we can tap on set up now. After you have done that, you could tap on add new label, and you can see different options that you can choose from. And you could also tap on real life examples, and you can see real life examples right here by scrolling down. So this is one of the reasons why TopStitch is so highly rated when it comes on to creating a proper clothing brand. Another thing, when it comes on to TopStitch, you're given numerous integration options. So while you can start off by selling on Etsy, if it is a case that you would like to create your own standalone store, so you'll be able to really control your customer base, you could, for example, incorporate your store onto Shopify, or you could add your store onto Squarespace, or there are numerous platforms that you can quickly integrate your store on. So you're given numerous options when it comes on to TopStitch. This is why I'd highly recommend it when you are thinking about creating a clothing brand. And that's basically it. Once you're finished doing that, you'll simply go back onto Etsy. Then from there, you're just going to add in your billing information, and you'll tap on save and continue, and you'll be able to now start selling on Etsy. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.